And we want to show you how effective wearing a face mask has proven to be since the statewide mandate started about a month ago. Check out this chart that breaks down COVID-19 data here in El Paso County. You can see back in July, cases were spiking at an alarming rate, but the mask mandate seems to have slowed the spread of the virus. Now, since it took effect, we're slowly but surely seeing fewer cases, the data trending downward again. But El Paso County still want health officials consider to be in the high-risk category, with over 5,000 total cases reported. In Pueblo County, more than 700 people have tested positive for the virus over the course of this pandemic. And even though we're in that high-risk area in El Paso County, we're still doing better than we were just a few weeks ago. News 5's COLETTE BORDELON joins us live from outside public health, where they say it's a sign we're doing things right, and COLETTE, a reason to stick with the mask mandate.
That's right. I talked to Dr. Leon Kelly. He's the deputy director here. He put it this way. We took our foot off the accelerator for just a little bit a few months back, saw those cases start climbing rapidly, which is why he says right now it's so important to remain diligent and disciplined.
Honestly, I think it's worth it.
Whether you like it,
I truly think it's a joke.
Or not.
If this is a sacrifice that we have to make, I'm all for it.
Face masks are here to stay for at least another month.
I have no issues with it whatsoever.
It seems like it's only being put in place for show. Nobody really cares about it. I think the majority of people that wear masks wear it just more to keep the peace.
The good news, El Paso County is doing better than we were. Let's talk about our positivity rate.
Percent positivity is of all the people that show up to get tested, how many of those people actually test positive?
Dr. Leon Kelly of El Paso County Public Health says early on we were around 2 to 3% of that rate. But then about a month to 2 months ago, that number started creeping up. But it's come back down recently, resting around 6%. We want to get it below 5.
It's a really, really, really good indicator that we're doing things right.
He says the mask mandate is helping.
But what's important to know is it's not just putting on the mask. It's that when you have the mask on, it's a constant reminder of all the other things you need to do.
But even though the numbers are going down, and that's encouraging, Kelly says we need to be vigilant because going back to school may be our biggest challenge yet.
I'm worried about my little sisters because they go back their senior year, and I'd like to see El Paso's numbers drop a little bit more.
We've proven now 2 times in a row that when we commit to something as a city and as a county, we can move this thing in the right direction.
Giving us all the little bit of hope we need to keep it up. I did reach out to Pueblo County Public Health. They didn't have time for an interview today, but they did tell me their positivity rate right below that 5% right now, and they want to keep it that way. So you all know what I'm about to say. It's about social distancing, good hygiene, and of course wearing your mask for the next 30 days at least. Always watching out for you, Southern Colorado. COLETTE BORDELON, News 5.